No, let's learn another simple sentence in Igbo. To say I am here in Igbo, so let's use our familiar sound like help. You say ah, like ah. Then you say nom, nom. Then be a. So together fast, anom eba. So in Igbo, to say I'm here, you say anom eba. Can you say anom eba? So a quick quiz, how do you say what will you eat in Igbo? So if you watched our last video, you will know how to say that. So try yourself. How do you say it? Good job. Igbo champion. I know you get it. So thank you for learning one sentence today. Keep practicing and learning one sentence at a time. Please subscribe and like for more. Conversational. Bye.